This is a video chart presentation of Nemaska Lithium. It's a Toronto venture exchange listed company trading on ticker NMX. See a real nice move in recent months from bottoming down here in 9 cents in June all the way up to 25 cents in August. Stocks retraced, still holding a good portion of the gains though. Solid support at 16 cents, and after dipping down to 12 cents, back on the rise, closing Thursday at 19 cents, up 18.75%. Nice increase in volume to 1.48 million shares trading. Stock's coming up on a little bit more resistance at 20 cents, but at this point we think it's a chart worth keeping an eye on to see if it's got another push in it. Now you can see the MACD broke to the south side of the center line at the beginning part of October, but found a base mid-month and has been moving back towards zero ever since. See the MACD itself just now pushed into positive territory. The signal line, the MACD's 9-day exponential moving average, is just below zero. That break into positive territory is something that we always look for. Notice back through here, MACD was trending below zero, made the rotation, broke back into positive territory, and the stock took off. Now it's not a be-all end-all moving above zero, but it's certainly a technical signal that the chart's trying to go much more bullish. Now we also note the slow stow holding well over top of 50. Again, that's a bullish sign of momentum by being on the upper half of the indicator. The money flow index right now trying to make that break itself. And you can see very little time recently above that 50 mark as the stock fell from those highs. One little try right here in November, but then promptly back down below 50. Just says the chart hasn't been able to sustain any momentum. So right now, moving back above 50, it's something to pay attention to see if it's going to move more towards 80 and then hold above that center line. Same type of principle goes for the relative strength index, coming off of lows, now back up over top of 50, and for the most part, for the last couple weeks, trying to hold above that 50 level, which is a hint the bulls are taking control of momentum. Now we always take a quick look at those indicators, but it always comes down to the candles, namely support and resistance. We see a support at 16. That will be a key level of support for us. There is some more at 15, and even some more at 14, and of course what I'd call a near-term bottom support at 12. But with this recent upward climb, 16 would be a key point because a break below that really increases the odds this downward path is going to continue. So keep a close eye on 16 as far as support goes. Now, as I mentioned to start this video, see more resistance at 20 cents, which I'd expect to be somewhat tough. And then resistance basically going to come on the 2-cent marks, going to be more at 22 cents and more at 24, which this is the level I'd consider probably to be very difficult. It's going to top out at 25. At the 1-year high, and I'd call that a general area starting at 24 cents and running right up to 25. But obviously, in order to make it there, has to get through this 20-cent mark first, and then the resistance again at 22, but consider that a primary resistance level. As I said, nice uptick in volume on Thursday. You see a definite increase, best day it's had in 3 months. That's an optimistic sign as the stock pushed near a 2-month high. So with those things in mind, we'll keep an eye on the chart and see how it performs going forward. But as always, merely my interpretation of the NMX chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.